Rich? I think it's a king. Been fighting it for a couple minutes. Making nice. Oh yeah, it's a big old king. It's a cobia? It's a cobia. It's a it's a big old king. It's a smoker king. Smoker king. Yeah, he's making too good of a run. I got it. Just take your time. There you go. That's a big one. Yeah, let him run. Don't tighten your drag. Yeah, that's why you don't want to tighten. Rich guys have to.
Rich, where's your leader line?
I got some 20 and 30s. Nice Smoker King. Ton's first Smoker King. It looks. Okay. Oh, come this way. Oh. Yeah. That would have done well for the tournament. What? He's lost him? Oh, he's still fighting. Take your time, man. Getting there. Yeah, I got it. I wish I had mine. I had a 4-foot gap. Yeah. Try to bring it up close to the surface you can. Oh shit, I won't ready. Woo! Yeah! How big this fucker is!
Yeah!
Hey, oh my god!
Oh, look, he's chewing on my leader. Look at that, on a 20-pound leader.
That's why you don't fish in bare feet.
A 20-pound leader.
Woo!
Let me
Get the hook out.
take a picture too.
Get the pliers. Get the hook out first.
I'm holding with the gas. I'm not gonna hold it with my hand.
Slimy. Yeah.
Dude, that thing
I
is
got really long
I
pliers.
can't believe on 20-pound leader that stayed on. Can you believe that on a jig?
I've gotten this big on 14.
I don't even think you shredded your leader hardly.
Yeah. You had them hooked on the outside for a long time. You got it? Here.
Can you
Yeah,
a kingfish, a big smoker king on a 20-pound leader?
I bet the hook.
Mama's gonna be happy. Well, it's nice to know I'm not fishing as much as
Hey.
Give me a hold that guy.
Yeah. Put your rod in the rod holder. There you go. He's so happy.
Dude, that was a fight. That was good.
Fun, huh?
That was good. That was, oh man, my back is sore. On light tackle, 20-pound leader, Rich on a jig head.
We got a net right here.
Good gaffy, man.
Yeah, you got hooked good.
Just Rich is like, come on, Connor, catch something.
Show me something.
Show me something. Show me some skills. You like that skill, Rich?
Baby.
Oh man, it's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
What's that picture? Can I get the picture?
My camera is not on.
You know what? In my bag.
Mine, I'll send them to you.
In my bag.